rainfall, rain bomb type rain here on March 12th, right in the center of Missouri. And it's going to stretch all the way over to the East Coast, and it's not going to go nowhere in 6 hours. Like, they're really going to target central Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, all the way over, most likely to Virginia over there. Look at that, another 6 hours. So we're looking at 18 hours of rain right smack in the middle of Missouri. It's not moving anywhere. Cold air still over here. Snow there in the four corners. Look at that. Another 6 hours still raining in Missouri, Illinois, Indiana. So, and here we go, another 6 hours. So going all the way into Saturday, the 13th, they just keep firing up in the same spot. Then you got heavy snow there for southern Colorado. I mean, we can see tornadoes with this also. Look at the cold air. The cold air is finally going to start pushing, but it's hitting this moisture that they're pulling from the Pacific and the Gulf of Mexico. They're pulling two moistures together. So then it kind of backs up here over Kansas, parts of Oklahoma. You could be watching out for tornadoes this day. You got all that cold air, all the warm air coming up. Crazy wind patterns. Not real bad high winds coming down, but this is almost like a landocane right here. So it's going to keep on raining into next Sunday, March 14th. You got blizzards going on for Colorado, parts of Kansas, tornadoes, parts of Kansas, Oklahoma. I mean, this is going to be a crazy little storm right there. And here we go. We're still on Sunday. Finally, it starts to push up. But look at this. You have heavy snow, ice storms, could be power outages. Everything's going to be flooded. Everything's going to be flooded in central Missouri, and then it's going to, the water's going to go down in elevation, so it's going to go down south, flood the rivers down south. Major ice storms. Heavy snow for Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota. And you could have tornadoes down here in Tennessee again. Look at that. You got a major ice storm coming for the Northeast. Could be tornadoes. Anywhere in the southern part of the storm could be tornadoes. It's going to warm up after that. But, man, that's going to be a wicked storm. Mass flooding. Flooding for the Virginia right there. But it just kind of gets stuck over Missouri. And then, look, then it almost turns into it really gets spun up right there with a really low pressure of 989. Blizzard for Massachusetts. Heavy snow. You're getting another round of heavy snow. And then it's going to take a little bit of break there. And then, look, it's going to fire back up really bad. So as soon as that one pushes out, here we are on March 17th, Wednesday. And we got more bad storms firing up. This could be a big tornado day on Wednesday, March 17th. Look at them things fire up over Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana. We're talking mass amounts of rain bomb. And it don't move very far in 6 hours. Now it's centered right over Arkansas. So all that rain that hit Missouri is going to be flooding downstream, and you're going to get hit with a rain bomb. And it's going to track right through Alabama, Mississippi, into Georgia. We got to be careful with this. It could be pretty good tornadoes with this. Definitely heavy rainfall. And even some snow once it gets over here towards New York and stuff. It's going to wrap up another wave. Look at that heavy snow for Nova Scotia. Got snow over there in parts of California. So let's take this on up. The wind patterns are going to be changing pretty soon. One more blast for the end of the 16 days here. This could be like a blizzard right here for Iowa on March 22nd. Tornadoes down to the south. So heads up on this day. This looks like a powerful storm. Big time wind with it. We got the cold air dipping down into Oklahoma. So heads up for Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky for